What's up everybody? Today we're changing the spark plugs in my 97 SC400. First, we need to take off the engine cover. 3 easy bolts and it'll come right off. Next, we'll remove the 2 distributor and spark plug covers. We'll start with the driver's side first. 5 easy bolts and it'll come right off. Now you'll have easy access to all 4 spark plugs. Gently remove the wire, insert the spark plug socket, take out the old spark plug, replace with the new one, screw it back in, put the wire back in, and repeat till all 4 spark plugs are done. The passenger side is a little bit more difficult. We'll have to remove the air intake pipe in order to get to the distributor and spark plug cover. The bolts that can be hard to find are 2 and 3, 4, and 7. Next, we'll disconnect these 3 hoses. When you're removing them, gently wiggle them off because they can be very brittle. Then disconnect this right here. After that, you'll have to pop out this little plastic nub using a flathead screwdriver. Then you'll be able to remove the air intake pipe. Then remove these 4 bolts on the distributor and spark plug cover. Then repeat the steps to replace the spark plugs. After that, you'll just have to put the cover back on, put the air intake back on, then put the engine cover on, and you'll be good to go. Alright everybody, well I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment down below. Holla at your koala, I'm out.